Hello all of you. Welcome back. Today we will do activity with letters. Okay? Parents kindly take one white paper. Write A to Z. This is how you have to write. Now the materials required are glue, colors, water and salt. And here the most important one is filler. This one you get for syrups, okay, and one earbud just to minimum cleaning on the paper. Now first we have to trace the letter. Please assist your child. First let them write A to Z. Now they will trace the letter with glue. Let them trace all the letters with glue. So here I have done little for you. So this is how they have to trace. How they will write a letter? They have to trace with glue. I think it's clear. This is how they have to trace it. Let it be little thick, because if you drop salt on that, it should stick properly. Now I am taking the bowl full of salt. Now the easy method is drop the salt at a time on the whole paper. On the whole paper at a time. After writing letters, after tracing the letters with the glue, see, this is how you have to I think it's clear. No problem, we can remove the excess salt, because only the salt will stick only to the letters as we applied glue on only to the letters. So don't worry about the excess salt. See, after dropping the full salt, it looks something like this. Okay, I think this is clear now. Now be careful this part. Drop the excess salt. Now see, it looks something like this. Okay parents, is this clear? See, after removing the excess salt, it looks something like this. Now I am taking the dropper. See, I am taking the dropper, dipping in one color, squeeze the color. Now start dropping. When you start dropping the colors, see, it looks something like this. With the dropper, each drop when you are dropping, it spreads like this. See, I have done few letters for you. I think this is clear. You have to just take the color into the dropper and one drop. Yes. You can see the color spreading. If you are tracing with the glue little thick, the salt also will stick little thick and you can see more clearly. When you drop this color, it spreads easily. You can use more than 3 or 4 colors for each letter. It looks colorful. It's little bit time consuming, but definitely your child will love this activity. So parents, kindly sit with them, let them do the activity. So you can see, yes, this is how the color spreads, and see, finally it looks like this. I have done one more for you. See, finally all the letters like this. Isn't it colorful? I hope you enjoyed the activity. So kindly cooperate with your child. Let them enjoy the activity. Signing off for today. Bye. Take care.